Hi guys, good morning. Hi, I'm waiting for you in chat and I'm waiting for feedback that we are online and it's okay with the sound and with the picture. Good morning and good day and good night where you are now. Okay, in a minute, like 30 seconds, they will tell me about the sound and we can continue our conversation. So we are here on Tuesday, June 2nd to discuss situation for markets. So what can you do, what's up, and what I see now from the trading situation. Well, I hope you're doing well and my ideas will help you. Well, before I'm waiting for a signal that it's okay with the sound, I would like to mention, guys, that you can trade only when you have a trading system, because other way you will lose money easily. Trading is a perfect way to lose all money that you put in your account, okay? So that is something that you have to remember first of all. And after that, please think about opportunities that you can get here, okay? So I'm not the one who will tell you like, wow, you can earn money here. It is so easy. It's just a job. It's the job that you do day by day, every day, from Asian time to European time, from European time to American time. And when you have to rest at this period between sessions when it's boring for markets, I'm still waiting for a way that we are online. Okay. I always tell to my Russian trading area that, guys, it is really dangerous to trade if you don't know how to trade. So I'm not trying to explain that it's okay to give money to somebody and they will trade for you. This is the stupidest idea if you don't have a lot of money, and this is just a diversification. So just a sum of your money that you give to people to trade for you. That if those are all money that you have and you all your money give to somebody who will try to make you more rich, well, don't do it, please. This is silly. Just okay. First of all, what you have to do before you trade, just to read books about investing, read books about trading, read articles how people lose money here, and after that read how they earn here, okay? Because I'm trying to show you a picture how easy it is, and I'm giving you these technical ideas, and I show you where to sell, where to buy, and it works. And after that you look like, wow, I should do that, I should sell, and you write messages to me like, give me one more signal where to enter market. And what is bad, I'm actually thinking that you can don't think about your money management and earn money and open position to earn money with all your amount, okay? So if you put like your $5,000 or $500, whatever, you open position for all this money. That is a bad idea also. So what I'm here for is to help for those who already know what they're doing here, okay? If you know what's trading about, so I will help you, because I'm doing this dirty work. I'm making those analytical researches. So I'm trying to find those entry points, and it takes some time. So I waste my time and I translate it to you with the English language, not with the technical language or pictures language, with an English language, and I show you where to enter market if it shows you the rebound or if it shows you the breakdown. Okay, I hope it helps and you do understand what I'm talking about. So now I think we are online and we can go to technical situation. Well, actually, this is not about some particular instruments. I will give you a couple of you, and we'll try to explain why I think you should enter market here or you should not enter market here. For example, we can take euro dollar, and that is something that I did discuss with my trading club in Russian Trading Club Pro today in the morning, that we are waiting for a signal to sell euro dollar because of, so my idea is based on some horizontal level, but I can't sell it right now. There is no reason right now. There is no volatility that will give me a good target like right now, today. Why? Because I don't see a news background. Tomorrow we'll have some news on European time, on American time. We are waiting for data from America about the employment. So I think this can be the period when euro dollar will show us some good volatility, but only to sell right now because price is being on one level. Yes, it's a good level. I see it. It is a good level from March, since March, but there is no good seller right now. If here is a good seller, so look here, price goes up, touching some level and going down really fast. So that's what shows us a good seller. Now what we see, price touching level, going down, touch it again, going down, and not making a new minimum before this minimum. Look, this was the first rebound, it went down. Second rebound, it goes down, and it's not breaking this previous minimum. That is why we see that here is an opportunity for price to stay in a little range for some more time. So yeah, I'm really waiting for euro dollar to show us some trading signal, and I go through these charts, but there is no signal yet. And maybe if they give me an opportunity to sell, I will hold it up to 1.0970, maybe like that. But that is not something that I'm going to work for sure, like to sell and you go and sell now. No, I don't exclude situation that, for example, tomorrow price will try to give us 1.1220, and after that they give us a rebound and the price will go down. So there is still no that much force, that much power for euro dollar to go to 1.16, for example. There is no good buyer. But they can give us a correction, and technical correction will be based on this middle side of a range, and also I'll make this tendency line, so it might help me as well to decide where to stop short positions if they give a rebound here. Okay, so now we go to, for example, we can take Brent. That is something that I really like, because we did discuss with you this idea, because it works and we are in profit and we work here. My Trading Club Pro works, and I know that here is a good opportunity for price to go up to, first of all, 41. This is like the first. Well, my target is like 40.45. Let's try to, yeah, 40.45. It's closer. High. Yes, 40.45. So here I also need to put the minimum price. Low for, look, here is 40.18. So yeah, my target is 40.45 for Brent to go up. After that, it will give you a correction, and after the correction, we can put this target 45. So first way right now is 40.45. After that, it goes down to this tendency line, and after testing this tendency line, it will go up to 45. Good. So yeah, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. I'm just telling you about the way where price goes right now. I hope you hear me. Yeah. So yeah, there is no that much trading idea right now. You just keep your opened positions. And for Traders Club, actually, guys who bought those videos for $5 a month, I have this trading club for $5 a month. You got this idea on some tendency line, resistance line that usually will be understood by market, by people, that this is the moment to sell. And in my video I told you that this is not the moment to sell, because of that we have a further target. We have this further target, and that's what our ideas based on. Not only some targets on 5-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, or 1-hour chart. I make research on weekly chart, on daily charts, on hour charts, everywhere, and I'm trying to find this brilliant, this perfect target that we use. So yes, yesterday I told you also that it is okay to work up to go and buy if price has been above 37.60 and your target is 40.45, and that is what we work with. Market gave us an opportunity to keep these long positions and to enter market again, so it still works. I hope it will work for you as well. There is no sell signal right now. What should we follow? For example, right now price will go really down and you will be like, oh my god, what you are telling me about? Well, guys, not to lose money, not to lose a lot of money, you have to put stop losses all the time. What I will follow, for example, I take this maximum, I take second maximum, and I will make this level of support, let's say like that. And if I see correction on 15-minute chart, on 1-hour chart, what I will be waiting for is this price to touch this correction target. So, and from here to enter market again up with our point 40.45. So yeah, if for example I'm telling you to buy and price goes down right now and you're like, oh my god, these are my deals, what did you tell me to do? And this is like area where I'm going to follow market, and if it gives a rebound from here, I will buy again with the target 40.45. So this is not something critical or dangerous. So yeah, this is technical instrument that you can use, and you can see where price will try to stop if it gives you a correction. If it gives you a correction, it doesn't mean that price will give you a correction. So yeah, just follow these ideas. It's like 10:13, 5 more minutes to go, and actually there is not that many news on calendar today. We have some news in an hour and a half from Great Britain, so we can go through Great Britain pound actually. And for Great Britain, I didn't buy today. And I'm being really open about what I do and what I don't do. So the Great Britain pound, I didn't buy today because I had an idea yesterday to buy, and we bought it and we earned money, and we stopped here near 1.25. Why? Because the price went up to our target, and it is okay to close your position, not to be greedy and wait for more money. If you have some target, just fix it, close it when it comes to your target. So yeah, Great Britain pound right now is on his way up to 1.26, but there are some news in hour and a half, and I think that it is okay to come back to this currency pair closer to that period, and if they show me a signal to buy close to the news release, after that I will buy. But for now, I don't trade Great Britain pound. I did have a signal yesterday, I did trade it, but don't have it today, so I don't trade it. On 1-hour chart, there is nothing interesting, but on 15-minute chart, I can even show you actually. That is something that I trade, and that is something that I like to do intraday. This is the Great Britain pound 15-minute chart. What I use is I use those moving averages, I use the stochastic oscillator, and some range with the moving averages envelope, and price comes to the maximum envelope, and look here, stochastic goes to the maximum line to zone, and so what I say, there is no opportunity to buy right now. This is not the moment to buy. If price is going up and it meets some stop areas, like some ranges, some zones, and it's not a moment to buy. If I want to buy, I will wait for correction, and if they give me a moment to buy, what I'm going to do, I will follow this 24 moving average on 15-minute chart, and if they don't go through this 15-minute on 15-minute chart through this 24 exponential moving average, this one, the blue one, and if the stochastic oscillator will have some needed time to go down for this period. So from here, if they don't break it down, I will try to enter market further to 1.26. But this is an intraday trading system, and it's not easy to explain. Actually, it's not something that is, I'm like telling you right now, sell, and you sell, you earn money, and next time you will sell without helping, without my helps. Like yesterday, for example, there was a lot of tricky moments, like you have to know when to trade which currency. For example, for my traders club, I had an idea for Swiss franc that you have to know when is the best period to trade Swiss franc. So you go on volatility calendar, you go and look for like last 2-3 months, when was the best day, when was the best time for this currency pair to be volatility, to have the best volatility. And if you decide just to buy because you see price near target, it's not the best idea. You have to wait for a needed session. For example, Great Britain pound is okay to trade right now. Why? Because it is European session. It is the most cool. It's the coolest time for this currency pair. Now, for example, for Japanese yen, we know that the best time to trade is either Asian time, either American time. So for Great Britain pound, I will come back to this currency pair for myself closer to news release. Okay, so yeah, that's something that I wanted to show you why I'm not buying right now, because intraday there is no signal to buy for me. And what I told you in the beginning of this video is that you have to have your trading system, your rules, your rules that you follow. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, you can ask them under the video, not in chat, but under the video, and I will go through them in a few like maybe hours. Also, I would like to share Australian dollar with you. Why? Because I had this target for price to go up to here, and price is right here. My congratulations, guys. So yeah, it does not look like a signal to sell right now, but price reached our target. Australian dollar went to 0.68. It might touch 0.6820 in day 2 because for giving you a rebound signal to sell signal, price needs some time. There is no sell signal right now. They went up to the target, and you can see that here is a good technical stop area. Why? Because here is some horizontal line on Shimoku cloud, and as you know, that is something that I use all the time. So yeah, there is a moment for price to stop, and my congratulations to those who was buying it. And also I can show you the New Zealand dollar. That was our target, guys. If you go through my videos for Trading Club, you will see that it was made this Sunday. This target I made, and it went up to target. Good. So yeah, that is not the moment to work right now on New Zealand dollar, because the best time to work New Zealand dollar is on Asian time, and when they have news. Okay, so for today, I would like you to be focused on Great Britain pound, on Brent, and maybe euro dollar as well, because there is some technical opportunity, but you have to remember that good trading opportunity will be together with the news releases. So we have some news release from Great Britain pound. That is why we need to be focused on Great Britain pound. Tomorrow we have some news from America, and also we have some news from oil market. So we have to be focused on WTI and Brent, and all the forecasts you will find on video in a huge video for a trading club that you can they can buy for like $5 a month. And also, if you have questions, I'm open for you. Well, you can ask questions under this video in comments. I will answer you if you have questions about the market. Okay. So I'm really glad that there are people who already work and they know that it works, and I'm glad that there are people who decided to go and study. I'm not giving you some educational like lessons and all that stuff, but I'm giving you target, where to go and what to learn. Like moving averages, you have to learn moving averages. Candlesticks, you have to learn candlesticks. And I know a lot of different instruments for technical analysis, and I use it. I give you this result of my work, and you can take it here. If you need some more, please ask under this video. I will help you and I will answer you. I wish you profits, guys, and of course press dislikes under the video. Thank you very much. Join my trading club, join my trading club pro if you are already a professional guy, if you know how to trade, so it is okay for you to go to trading club pro. And also of course, be on this YouTube channel. I come up with my ideas when I have time. I hope it helps you guys. See you later. Bye bye.